If your LG washer UE code appears on the display, it means your washing machine is having trouble balancing the load. This can cause excessive vibrations, loud noises, or even prevent the machine from spinning properly. Luckily, in most cases, you can fix this issue yourself without needing professional help. The first thing you should do is check the load inside the drum. Unevenly distributed laundry, such as heavy blankets or tangled sheets, can cause the washer to become unbalanced. Try rearranging the clothes or adding a few more items if you're washing a small load. After adjusting the load, restart the machine and see if the error disappears. If the LG washer UE code is still showing, the next step is to check whether your washer is level. Use a bubble level and place it on top of the washer to see if it is sitting evenly. If the machine is tilted, adjust the leveling legs until it is stable. Make sure all legs are firmly on the ground and that nothing is obstructing them. Once adjusted, restart the machine to see if the issue is resolved. If balancing the load and leveling the washer don't work, try resetting the machine. Simply unplug it from the power outlet, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear the error code and allow the machine to function properly again. If the error persists, you may need to check the rotor mounting nut. This component secures the rotor assembly, and if it becomes loose, the drum may not spin correctly. To check this, turn off the power, remove the side panels, and locate the rotor assembly. If the nut is loose, tighten it. Also, check the mounting bolts and ensure they are secure. After making these adjustments, restart the washer to see if the issue is fixed. For top-loading washers, another possible cause of the LG washer UE code is faulty suspension rods. These rods help stabilize the drum during the spin cycle, and if they wear out, the washer may shake excessively. If you suspect this is the issue, inspect the suspension rods for damage and replace them if necessary. For front-loading washers, you should check the shock absorbers. These components prevent excessive movement of the drum, and when they wear out, the washer can become unbalanced. To inspect them, turn off the power, remove the panels, and check for any signs of damage. If the shock absorbers are faulty, replace them and test the washer again. If the issue is still not resolved, the problem could be with the Hall sensor, also known as the rotor position sensor. This sensor monitors the motor's operation, and if it malfunctions, it can trigger error codes. You can test the sensor using a multimeter. If it does not show continuity, it needs to be replaced. As a last resort, the control board might be the issue. This component controls various functions of the washer, and if it becomes faulty, it can cause persistent error codes. Control boards are difficult to diagnose and expensive to replace, so if none of the previous steps worked, you may need to consider replacing the washer altogether. While the LG washer UE code can be frustrating, it is often caused by simple issues that you can fix yourself. By following these steps, you can save money on repairs and keep your washer running smoothly for years to come.